Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Visa card to your Amazon account. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and search for Amazon in the search bar. Once you're in the website, make sure you're signed in to your account. Now, to add your Visa card, simply choose a product and add it to your card. Click on Buy Now. Now here, simply click on Add New and add credit card or debit card. Here, enter your card's number, expiration date and CVV code and also name on your card. And after that, add and continue. And that's how you can add your Visa card on your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.